Hi, this video is the demonstration of the FUT, or the strip hair transplant donor scar, and it's a linear scar. I try to provide as much the FUE and FUT scar as much as possible. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller. It just sometimes depends on the patient scalp, their body produce. Some scars stretch bigger and some are smaller than this one. So there's always pro and con for FUE and FUT. I perform both FUE and FUT, and both FUE and FUT produce scar. No surgery without scar. The FUT scar has a linear scar. The FUE has produced tiny dots of scar scattered throughout the back like a mosaic pattern and allow you to wear your hair shorter. It's harder to see with the FUE scar. Again, both FUE and FUT produce scar. The FUT, there's pro and con. The pro of FUT, or the strip method, are cheaper. You can move a bigger graft per day, like 5,000-6,000 grafts you can transplant per day. So it's very effective for advanced hair loss, class 5, 6, or 7 hair loss, and you can reach your goal faster. The growth rate is 5 to 10% better. Where the downside of the FUT is more invasive, we had to cut you open, and it has a linear scar. And linear scar, you cannot shave your head this hard. It's easier to see, and suture, or and then it's more painful, more during the recovery. For the FUE, there's pro and con. The pro of the FUE are less invasive, no cutting. We just harvest one at a time, so no suture. The pro of FUE is less painful, less bleeding, less chance infection. The downside of the FUE are it's more expensive. The number of grafts we can do is less, 25 to 3,000 grafts per day, although there are days I can go beyond 3,000. The growth rate, both FUE and FUT have good density, but the FUE you compare is slightly less. It's 5 to 10%, but you can't tell the difference. Thank you.